this is your friend Jake, and then in this tutorial video guys, I will teach you on how to write a simple hello world program using Dart programming language. Before we start guys, I would like to say thank you so much to all my subscribers and my new subscribers in my channel. We are improving in terms of numbers. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and please click the subscribe button to subscribe in my channel. So let's get started guys. So here I'm using Visual Code, and then assuming that you have already installed Dart in your SDK in your computer. So normally Dart is based on C programming language. So we have here void main, curly bracket, print, double open and close parentheses, double quotation, hello world in Dart, semicolon, and then we have here the right curly bracket to close. So if you have a knowledge in C or C++ or even Java, learning Dart is much easier. So let us go to the terminal window in Microsoft Visual Code to run the program. So to run the program, hello world, we simply type Dart space hello world in that Dart. Don't forget to put the extension Dart and press the enter key. So we have here hello world in Dart period. So that's simple. This is the end of our tutorial video guys. I hope that you have learned something new on how to run a Dart program and how to create a simple hello world in Dart. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I will know what are the topics in programming, information technology about life that I may discuss in my future videos. And please share in social media and like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram for example. And if you are new with my channel, please hit the subscribe button. So this is your friend Jake saying see you in the next video tutorial guys. Bye bye for now.